안녕하세요. 만나서 반가워요. 또 만났어요. 너무너무 반가워요. This picture is also taken in Dadepo Beach, and right after the typhoon, you can see the strong sunlight and the waves. Each of is hard to distinguish, but actually this is quite high waves, so we can see. So the best season or best moment to take a picture outside is, especially to take pictures of the sky right after the typhoon, is really the best season. Today's topic is can. Can. 할 수 있다, right? 할 수 있다. 태풍 후에, after typhoon, you can take this picture. 이런 사진을 찍을 수 있어요. 찍다, 찍을 수 있어요. Or you can. 난 할 수 있어. I can do it. Okay? 난 할 수 있어. I can do it. In English, can is auxiliary, and behind can auxiliary, we need root verb. In Korean, 먹다, 먹 is root verb. So where is the auxiliary in Korean? Behind root verb. Okay, so as you see, this is the opposite, right? Auxiliary first, but in Korean, 을 수 있 is auxiliary in Korean. So 먹을 수 있, and in Korean we need one more. What? Final endings. Okay, so 있어요, 있습니다, 있어. Okay, so 을 수 있어, 을 수 있다 has two forms. So when it has 먹, okay, two space. When it has 받침, okay, the verb or adjective, yeah, it has 받침, 을 수 있어요, and 노받침, like 가다가, 르수 있어요, 르수 있어요. Okay, so 받침, 을 수 있어요, 노받침, 르수 있어요. How about can't? Can't. 수 있. So 있어요, the opposite word is 없어요, right? So like it's the same here. So 수 없어요, can't. 수 없어요, 수 없어요. And we also studied. We are going to study later. But can't also can be 못, right? 못 and verb and 아요 해요. 못해요, 못해요. 못 plus verb and 요. And which one do we prefer? Korean. Which do we Korean prefer? Of course, the short one. Usually short one. Okay, but this 을 수 없어요 also we use a lot. I can ski. I cannot ski because I didn't learn to ski. 슝. First, as I said, always main clause is at the end of the sentence. So because I didn't learn to ski first. Okay, so ski를 learn, 배우다. 배우 plus didn't, 지 안. 스키를 배우지 안, and because, 아서. 스키를 배우지 않아서. I did not learn how to ski. Okay, ski를 배우지 않아서 I can ski. This ski is the verb, and this both are verb. Okay, anyway, this is a 스키를 타다. So 스키를 탈 수 없어요. I cannot ride a ski, or I can ski. In Korean, we say ride ski. To ride ski, so ride, 타다. 탈 수 없어요. I can't. I can walk because my leg hurt. Okay. Of course, because my leg hurt first. 다리를 hurt, 다치다. 다치 플러스 어서, 다쳐서. 다리를 다쳐서. I can walk. Walk is 걷다. So, 걸을 수, 걷다, and the changes to the. So, 걸을 수 없어요. 다리를 다쳐서 걸을 수 없어요. I was late for school because I got up late. 음? Got up late. 늦게. This 게 is like ly. That makes the adjective adverb. Okay? 늦게. 늦게. Got up. 일어나. And because 서. 늦게 일어나서. Because I got up late, I was late for school. School, maybe this is 수업. 수업 is a lesson. Lesson or class is 수업. Okay? So for school is 학교, right? So 학교에 늦었어요. or 수업에 I was late. 늦었어요. 늦게 일어나서 수업에 늦었어요. But why this sentence is here? Because this is the uh, slide for to practice can, right? But there is no can. Why did I do it? Okay, we can play soccer for it is fine today. This for is because. Okay, 날씨가 good, 좋, and for because 아서 날씨가 좋아서 we can play soccer. Play soccer 축구하다, 축구를 하다, 축구를 and can play 할 수 있어요. 날씨가 좋아서 축구를 할 수 있어요. Tom can read Korean letters. Tom은 and object Korean letters is 한글, 한글 and object marker 을 and read 읽다 읽 and 받침 so 읽을 수 있어요. 읽을 수 있어요. 탐은 한글을 읽을 수 있어요. I can't play the piano because my hands got hurt. Okay, or my hands hurt. 손을 just while it was 다리를 다쳐서 remember 다리를 다쳐서 here 손을 다쳐서 and I cannot play the piano piano and we need object marker piano를 can play 칠수 play is 치다 here play the piano when we play some musical instrument that play is 치다 칠 수 없어요. You can swim here. Okay, maybe there is a sign that you can swim here that allow you to swim. 여기 here에서. So in Korean, this is not just here. Like at this place, 여기 at this place, 여기에서 swim 수영하다 수영할 수 있어요. 여기에서 수영할 수 있어요. When the verb is action verb 에서 existence verb 에 okay so because 수영하다 is action verb so we say 여기에서 수영할 수 있어요. 여기에 수영할 수 있어요. Wrong. We don't say that. Children can't watch this movie. 어린이 children 아이들 is also okay. 아이들 or 어린이는 this movie this movie 영화 and object marker를 어린이는 이 영화를 watch 보다 노받침 so 수 can't 없어요. 볼 수 없어요. 어린이는 이 영화를 볼 수 없어요. You can buy socks with 10,000 won. Okay, 10,000 won in Korean we say 만, not 10,000. We don't say 10,000. We say 만 won. And with this is with so 으로 okay, 만 원으로 양말을 object marker and you can buy 사다 사를 수 있어요. 살 수 있어요. 만 원으로 양말을 살 수 있어요. Okay, today is very simple. 고마워.